Compass points you anywhere closer to me. Where you are, I will be deep. Where you are, I will be. Anywhere between. Take me to the garden of your ecstasy.
Alright guys, so this is vlog 30 here. We're at school, just took a midterm.
Well, I didn't.
I want to blow my brains
You
out.
didn't.
I didn't.
It was really fun. It was macroeconomics. What?
I took Gov. AP Government and Politics.
Alright, so we're gonna go get food now. I'm not sure where, but
With Ed.
you guys will find
We're
out soon.
not going with it.
Alright guys, we're at the deli. We're gonna get some quick food and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're at Seamus's now. We got food. It was good. We're gonna hang out for a little and then I have another midterm at 12:30. It's an art midterm. Very hard stuff. Do
What are you doing?
We have to draw a shoe. That's it.
Oh, I didn't have to take an art midterm last year.
Really? You took our foundation?
No, I took graphic design.
Oh. Well, I take art foundation. Cause I'm cool. Alright, we're gonna head
It's actually
to
the
Seamus's.
least cool class.
It's the worst. We're going to Seamus's now. Alright guys, I'm here at Seamus's. I gotta go to my art midterm now. With this snake. Very fun. Very fun snake. Hey there.
Hi.
Alright, I'm gonna leave now. I'll see you guys after my midterm. Peace. Here's Seamus's cat. His name is Bob. He's going down now. Whew. Alright, I'm leaving now. Bye. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just finished my test. There's Mickey. It was art. You know, it was pretty easy because it's art foundation.
2160p?
He's looking at smart TVs.
It's like double the resolution.
Alright guys, we're here at my crib.
I really don't know
He
who's.
just threw it like across the entire gym, and he was like,
Did Willie Quinn? Did
2K.
Willie Quinn have all their points? Yeah. he
We're
scored
hanging
like-
out.
I think he scored like 20.
Are we gonna like hang out
Only
late?
like 2 against us. Brian Hong had like
It's kind of weird.
He drank like we just start the
We
game.
have a
Every
test on
single game
Wednesday.
starts like
We don't
this.
have
He just drank
any
like
test tomorrow.
four like deep shots
yeah,
and we're down
we're chilling.
8-0. Yeah. Willie Quinn.
We pressed Willie Quinn.
Like fucking guard him.
we like pressed Willie Quinn.
Your face is like in the corner.
Yeah, and then we like.
Trash juicy. Alright, Shay, here we go. I have an 84. Nice shot.
Thank you.
"What's the font for that midterm?"
I'm just gonna do a million Quizlets probably.
Are you kidding me?
I shouldn't have to risk it.
Hey. So we're outside now. We're gonna play a little basketball. So I'm gonna put the camera down and hang out. I haven't been vlogging much today. Maybe we'll go out later or something. I'll vlog more. Say bye, Rick. Patrick. Say bye, Patrick. Bye, Patrick. Alright guys, we're out here in the basement. Played a little ball.
It's like easier to like.
And we're back here
because
chilling,
when it
everyone's
does
playing
automatic,
Risk on
like
the
in the
phones.
United States, that was actually.
So yeah, pretty fun stuff.
Picture that globe.
Very
I'm
interesting.
okay with that.
Nah,
Let's just do one automatic setup game.
I'm gonna do a little cinematic because I don't have one yet. It's vlog.
My dice rolls are pretty.
Okay.
I lost
Hope you
my
guys like
coin.
it. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ooh, ay, ay, ooh, ay. Come on, ay. She high profile, style so wild. Born in the 90s, but she a 50 soul child. Her past a little crazy, her exes fucking hate me.
Alright guys, I'm here playing a Little League World Series on this computer I found. I mean TV I found.
That's crazy.
Is it crazy?
What the? No.
Alright guys, we're in the car now.
The tacos are actually
Had to go eat dinner. We're debating what we want.
Steak, Ryan. We can't take the easy
way out.
Tacos are for you.
Yeah, that's perfect. Feeling better than I ever felt. Feeling better than I ever felt. Why, thank you. Feeling better than I ever felt. Feeling better than I ever felt. Meanwhile, these dead presidents keep coming, I'ma stack this. Wanna play for the big leagues, kid practice. Live the lifestyle, wife a model or an actress. Oh, I'm so damn good at this. Wahahaha. Money straight like the way I drink bourbon.
Alright guys, we're booking to Salsa. It's raining.
Shut my phone. Okay.
Is it video?
Alright guys, I got my food here. I'm gonna dig in. See you guys after. Gotta bring up a good view here.
Damn, this job is like... Oh wow.
Alright guys, we just finished getting our food. I think we're heading home now. It might be the most boring vlog ever. But yeah. See you guys.
Catch me rolling through the city, riding with the top off. Man, my whip so big when you in it. Fuck around and get lost. Tell my bitch to let her head up.
Alright guys, we're back at my house.
I don't know how
Little
to
League
play.
World Series again.
I last time played like 5 years ago.
Okay, ready? You pitch.
Oh, what?
You just pitch it, like you just and you shake.
Wait, so how do you do like special pitches? How do you like?
You got funny class.
You like press buttons like B and start.
Oh, Ethan.
Go.
How do you throw it? So you choose certain base to throw it to?
Yeah. Well, you could just shake and it'll go to like the nearest base. Alright guys, so we're chilling in my house now. We're gonna go head to CVS, get some snacks and stuff.
Oh yeah. Snacks.
See you guys there.
Driving high in these conditions can be tough.
It will be.
Dude, you know what'd be kind of cool? Being a teacher.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. Turns out we didn't go to CVS last night. We just kind of hung out and everyone kind of went home. But yeah, now I'm here chilling, watching YouTube. I'm about to edit this video. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be too short, like shorter than 10 minutes, but whatever. I'm trying to post daily, even though I missed Sunday. But I didn't really do anything Sunday, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so I'm just gonna try and post this and see you guys in vlog 31. Peace.
Smoking in a whip right now, tryna cop the lick right now. Mama on the phone, pipe down, but the party too lit right now. She gon' have a fit right now. I no time for this right now. This my special.